How to change music quality on Apple Music. You can adjust Apple Music streaming and download quality on your iPhone to improve sound or save data, and here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on the apps option available there. Inside app, scroll and tap on the music. Inside music, you will get to see audio quality option available there. Then choose the audio quality option and turn on lossless audio, which preserves every detail of the original recording. Next, choose Wi-Fi streaming and select HIRES lossless. You will see a prompt saying you need an external digital to analog converter and appropriate dongles to play content in high-res lossless, which offers full audio resolution. For the same audio quality on cellular data, you can go back and tap cellular streaming, then select HIRES lossless. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.